Vacation tips: how to find affordable holidays. There are many people who are looking for vacation tips these days. They are trying to find the best deals on their next holiday, and one way that they do this is by using the internet. If you do not have access to the internet, you may want to consider making your vacation plans on your own. This will allow you to visit a few different resorts to get an idea of what type of accommodations are available at each location. Vacations can take you all over the country. You might be able to visit some exotic locations like Las Vegas, and spend some time at the casino. While you are there, you will also be able to see a couple of popular attractions such as the Hoover Dam. However, if you are planning to visit Europe or Alaska, you will need to find the best vacation tips that you can use to make your trip memorable. The first thing that you need to do before you even start planning a vacation is to decide on the destinations that you would like to visit. This will help you narrow down the things that you need to include in your vacation package. When you have an idea of the places that you want to go, you will know exactly what to look for when you are searching for vacation tips online. Another thing that you need to do when you are looking for vacation tips is to research the different accommodations available for you to choose from. If you are going to the Caribbean, for example, you will need to know which resorts are located near some of the popular beach resorts. You will also want to make sure that you check into any special promotions or sales that are available before you make your final decision about where to stay. Another way to save money while you are vacationing is to try to combine your trip with another one. For instance, if you already have a cruise booked and you will be traveling to a different part of the country during the week, you may want to combine the trip. This will give you some extra cash, especially if you are going to include hotel accommodations into your trip. Finally, you will want to make sure that you are getting all of the information that you need when it comes to booking your vacation. There are a number of websites that will help you book your vacation online. When you are booking online, you will want to make sure that you are able to do some comparison shopping and also to research all of the different vacation companies that you are considering so that you are getting the best rates possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about vacation.